Every ship starts with a vision long before steel touches the ground. Engineers determine exactly what the vessel will be built to accomplish. For cargo, we need maximum capacity and efficient loading. And for naval, advanced weaponry and stealth. Advanced software transforms ideas into detailed engineering plans. Every frame, beam, and plate is calculated to withstand enormous forces. Computer simulations test stability, speed, and safety before construction begins. Let's review the final specs. Structural integrity is confirmed. Safety margins are all sign off.
Congratulations on the approval.
On to construction.
Thousands of tons of steel are ordered from specialized manufacturers.
Raw materials arrive at the shipyard from around the world. Every piece of steel is inspected for quality and strength. Steel plates are cleaned to remove rust and impurities. Cutting lines are marked using computer-guided systems. Powerful plasma cutters shape steel with remarkable accuracy. Each section receives an identification code for assembly. The ship's internal skeleton begins taking shape. Large curved panels are formed to create the hull. Expert welders permanently join the first components together. Every weld is carefully inspected for perfection. Bulkheads divide the vessel into watertight sections.
Strong supports are added for future decks.
Entire sections of the ship are built separately as giant modules. Massive cranes prepare for one of the most challenging stages. The first giant section is lifted into place. Laser systems guide each section into exact position. Alignment is holding, ready for the next phase. Confirmed, laser deviation is within tolerance. The vessel begins to take its recognizable shape. Thousands of welds transform separate blocks into a single structure.